Good morning, boys and girls. Today in reading, we are going to answer another two-point constructed response question. And again, we're going to be using evidence from the text, and we're going to answer the question. We're going to prove it once, and we're going to prove it again. Let's get started and see what our question is for today. Okay, we are going to be answering this question here, and it says, on page 392, why does Miss Shelbert decide that Alphonse was not turning into an ordinary frog? Use two details from the story to support your response. Ordinary. I remember that was one of our vocabulary words. And in your book, we're going to take a look at where it is, and we're going to read what else is around this sentence. Why does Miss Shelbert decide that Alphonse was not turning into an ordinary frog? Let's go to page 392 and let's find where it says it. Here it is right here. So let's start by reading the sentence that the word ordinary is in. But one day Miss Shelbert decided that Alphonse was not turning into an ordinary frog. She asked Louis to stop bringing him to school. Okay, so because she decided this, she tells Louis to stop bringing him to school. But why does she decide that Alphonse was not turning into an ordinary frog? Why does she decide that? So, you have to think about the answer to that. What is happening here? Let's read above the sentence. At least Louis's classmates enjoyed Alphonse, who was still making weekly visits. Wow, show and tell is more fun than recess, they yelled. So up until this point, Miss Shelbert was letting Alphonse come into school because remember, he brought him in for show and tell. So remember how he started, and then now what happened to him in the class? Looks like fun, but teacher doesn't think so. So let's go back to the question. Okay, and remember, we need to restate this question. We are going to take off the question words. Why does? We also do not need to add on 392. We need to start our response using Miss Shelbert decided that Alphonse was not turning into an ordinary frog because. And then that is where you are going to put your answer. So I am going to start this off for you today, just like I did the last time, and you are going to finish it. So let's see here. Okay, I need to move this over here. Here we go. Miss Shelbert, I have to spell Shelbert correctly, decided that Alphonse, love the name Alphonse, was not turning to spell turning correctly into an ordinary frog because, now, like I said, I'm not answering this for you, but this is where you are going to put your answer. Think about what the word ordinary means. Okay, why does Miss Shelbert think that Alphonse is not an ordinary frog? What would an ordinary frog look like? And think about why then she wouldn't let him back into the classroom. What's going on? So remember, give your answer here. Miss Shelbert decided that Alphonse was not turning into an ordinary frog because tell us what happened to him. Okay, and prove it one way and prove it another way with words or something that you see in the pictures, because that is also part of the text. What happened? Why does she think Louis is not an ordinary frog? Okay, I cannot wait to see your responses and read your responses. And remember, take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher. Okay, boys and girls, have a great day. You got this.